inside the hub, we have one important rule: never stop cooking. Guys, today I'm presenting you the Claude Obsidian update, the ultimate Claude Obsidian update. As I mentioned before, you've seen already Claude ads, and here you can see our dear Claude Obsidian. Oh my god, there was a glitch also on my system right now happening because of all these crazy things going on together here. I applied Fable 5 principles, philosophy, ways of thinking. Again, I think you already know exactly what I'm talking about. The brain, Fable 5 brain, the execution order, also to Claude Obsidian. Additionally, of course, I fully reviewed it using even the brain stain skill, and that's how the current update came to fruition. And that's exactly what I want to showcase you today, guys. You're gonna be, of course, the first ones that see. We're gonna see when I'm gonna make it to the public, maybe during one of these live sessions this week, next week, we'll see. But for now, it's there. It's in the Pro Hub. You can just prompt your Claude or codex just to update the skill. So let me tell you exactly what's new in our current Claude Obsidian. And I think you already know it just how powerful also the current skill is, guys. I want to tell you just also at the same time about the stars that we have here. So Claude Obsidian is cooking a lot. We've got quite a lot of stars, and this showcases you exactly how useful the current skill is. Yeah, 9.3k stars here. So this is the current Claude Obsidian update. We have also a new cover image here. This is the dude, Claude, and this, and here we have, of course, a new readme following best practices. I just minimized a little bit the readme. You can just have a look through it more in depth if you really want to, but I want to cover today the updates because I don't want to take too much of your time. So we have the reliability and evidence and refoundation, because as I mentioned before, we have applied the Fable 5 principles towards the overall execution order or execution layer. So Claude Obsidian version 2 is a major architectural release, so it refactors existing 15 skills. So all the skills, all the prompts for each and every skill were updated. Once again, following prompting advice by Claude, by Anthropic, also using Codex plus Fable together towards this current update. Local first core for building source-cited compounding Obsidian knowledge bases across compatible agent skills hosts. So again, guys, don't forget also, we have /wiki, /save. These commands still remain the same, but the prompts and execution layers for those were totally improved. We have the central change in behavioral on logical knowledge mutation is now one inspected recoverable transaction, so product source, user vault stated, derived runtime data, and public release artifacts also have explicit separate boundaries. So I think, and I hope this did not burn your brain, but overall it's basically we have better logic in performing tasks. What changed at a glance? So added a standard library here, we have Claude Obsidian, reworked every skill, just for information, added a source and claim ledgers. We also checked Obsidian documentation for best practices in regards to that. Hardened the multilingual, so if you're using different languages, added a dry run first release path, also some guardrails, rebuild the readme as we've seen just now before. We also have portable 15 skill system that you can use. So again, wiki is saved, they still remain the same, guys. We have the extension auto research if you want to go for a long auto research in regards to a specific topic, right? We have also that Canva if you want to use the canvas mode. We have the reference skills, because I have also checked other popular skills that were in the space and also just, you know, cherry picked a few cool components. So these two skills for formatting Markdown. It's fantastic, by the way. So guys, this whole update, you can check also the release notes in full, because it'll take me maybe a longer period of time to just tell you more about it. But overall, it's a big ass massive update for current Claude Obsidian. It's maybe again 3 times stronger than it was before. So how to update it? Again, simple. Prompt your Claude, update my Obsidian skill, and let's check maybe my second brain, check maybe my other thing. Let's build a vault. So again, let's save to my, again, whatever folder you want. And in general, if you want to audit any sort of, let's say, graph, components, create canvases, this skill is basically for that. So guys, Claude Obsidian is there, update, and see you next time.